So we have learned from you to embrace our, even weaknesses, our failures. So nobody teaches us that. Now I can embrace other people's failure and fall. I can help them, to get up and you can do it. Go ahead. Hello everyone. I'm Shuchi Jain from Pune, and I'm mother of two girls. Lifestyle intelligence, as the name itself suggests. Here, Surbi taught us how to live our life intelligently, wisely. And according to her, we live in two worlds. One is an internal world, and one is an outer world. But most of the time, we are living in our outer world, and we seek peace, happiness, everything in the outer world, and we are never satisfied with whatever, or we never seek the true peace or happiness. And she connected food to our thoughts, emotions, our feelings. So that was a biggest surprise for me when she connected food to the internal world, enlightening beginning. And so our journey started with that. And the best part which I liked about Surbi's program was, so everything that happens in our life, it the main cause is our emotions, and then she makes us practice or implement it in our day-to-day life. We need to experience that, and that thought will remain with us forever. And it has impacted 24 hours of our a day. I feel more happy, and in a energy level, I can't put it. I've never felt so energetic in my life. One example I want to share with everyone. Something happened, like she got hurt or something, and instead of going for some medicine or something, she started observing that pain. And then she mentioned that after a few seconds, that pain disappeared. And last week, I got burnt actually in one of my fingers. I remembered, I was looking for like cold water or something, and then I remembered those words. Okay, you just watch that pain, and I was so surprised that like within second that pain was gone. And then I thought maybe I'll get a scar because of the burn, but there was nothing. So this is a practical example of like how this program changes us. So we have learned from you to embrace our, even weaknesses, our failures. So nobody teaches us that. So now I can embrace other people's failure and fall. I can help them, to get up and you can do it. Go ahead. So this is a lot of things I've learned. I mentioning them in like 10 or 15 minutes, I just can't, because it's a 14 weeks journey. You were there with us 24/7, so all the time, and you're still with us. Small incidents we'll always remember. Okay, this is how. So we said, even now if I eat something which I shouldn't eat, so the inside, so we start speaking. Okay, is how are you feeling after eating it? Are you seeking pleasure in this, or just for the sake of emotional eating you are doing it? So like I visited my parents' place. So like usually, otherwise we always take afternoon naps. It's a mandatory thing. So this time when I visited my home, I hardly yawn now. So I'm always full of energy. My father, he keeps, he's so surprised that sleep for some time, that will, energize you. And I feel the other way now, because Survi has taught us like 4 to 5 hours of sleep is good enough to energize your body. Now I don't take a nap or in the afternoon. It's completely gone. Though I am more busy, like I have less help now. I am doing more work at home, but still I have more time for myself. So I can do meditation. I can read. I can, The main reason I joined Survi's program was I could never fast. My main goal was I wanted to fast with ease and happiness, being in a spiritual kind of state, not just for the sake of, because I have seen people around me, uh, who were fasting, but their attitude, their behavior was not very polite, or they were going through headaches, very less energetic. But with Surbhi's guidance, I was like full of energy when I did my fast. And the day I picked up that fast, everyone was so surprised when they found out that I am fasting that day. And one of my friend, she was super impressed with my energy and my attitude, that she has joined Surbhi's program. My aura, you can say, my happiness, encouraged her to join it. And so that's a very big takeaway, I think, throughout my life. The people who fasted for me, they were like aliens. But now I am one of them. The program also covers the spiritual aspect. So, and can you believe that she taught us how to breathe? And I never thought that I was breathing wrong, but she corrected our breathing, and how that breathing helped us to elevate spiritually. That way, could all of us, like all the participants, could see. And then she even taught us how to meditate. So now that all those things have become an integral part of our life, like we do breathe, and that meditation gives us so much peace and happiness. Like we start our day with it, and like it's a like 10 minutes meditation. Sometimes we go through emotionally low period in our time, so she helped us that we should concentrate on our breathing if there's a change in our emotions. So emotionally, now I'm in a better place. So my relationships around me, whether it is with my husband, my kids, or even with my friends, it has changed for better. So now, like, my patience level has definitely increased. Important things should be taught us was that we have to be present with the kids, especially that they know what they need to do, but they just want somebody to listen to them. So one day my daughter, the elder one, she called me up, and she was just in a very bad mood. I think she had a fight with one of her very close friends, and she was just mama this, mama that. And I was like, okay, I wanted to stop her and put my opinion about what she was saying. And then I remembered, okay, so we said you just have to give your full presence to anybody who's sharing something with you. And I did that, and after 2-3 minutes, she calmed down, and she was like, thank you mama for listening to me. I wanted somebody to just listen to me. And then she had the solution herself. And that day I realized we are so used to giving our opinions to others, that we are never present for anybody. So that was an amazing experience. During this program, I've lost 10 kgs. Like one of my friend, when she saw me after 2 months, so she mentioned that now my body looks like a body of a young girl. So that was a nice compliment. And physically, now I feel very light. And energy level, anyway, I mentioned, like, I'm always full of energy. I've never been so energetic, not even in my, I think, teens or 20s or 30s. I'm so full of energy. I'm more energetic than my girls, I feel. I keep telling them, okay, let's go for a run. And by the end of the day, when I'm done with the full work, household work, I can still defeat you. So that confidence now I have. And yeah, this program is overall development, like spiritual, emotional, and physical changes. Then, like, I've gone 2 sizes down. So you feel good about being fitting into clothes which you had put at the back shelves. So they are all coming out. Definitely recommend this program to, I think, everybody should do it. And once you experience it, because I was very hesitant, because I thought like it will be all about food, that she'll make us, you don't eat this, you don't eat that. But out, with her knowledge, I felt like that this is the right thing not to consume a particular food. So I took that decision. So that gives a lot of confidence. The right choices that paves our way in the right direction. So definitely say that if somebody wants to grow spiritually, emotionally, then please don't think twice. Just join it, and you will find the true peace and happiness. Now, what I realize is I don't need a reason to feel happy. I am happy all the time. Even when things are not my way, I'm still happy. If somebody is behaving in a not like what I wanted them to behave, I'm still smiling inside. It's okay. Like this happiness is erupting in me like a volcano, just wants to be happy and make other people also happy. So this happiness is infectious. That anyway I've realized, this happiness and peace. Like Survi said, you embrace argument or difference of opinion, those things also with lot of love, and send love to that person. And I've seen things changing. Earlier I used to put my side of story, but I could never convince the other person. But when we send love to somebody, I have seen it practically, the other person changing with his opinion. And that was I think it was a big thing for me. And the main thing what I learned was, like, she says to that we should love ourselves. Unless until we love ourselves, we cannot love others. That was a very odd statement first when I heard. But then over the period of 14 weeks, I realized, yeah, that's very important, because in these 14 weeks we have learned to love ourselves. We chose to eat right because we love our body. We want to use this body to achieve a higher goal, to grow spiritually. So if I love my body, then how can I put something which is not right or healthy inside my body? The same thing applies to my thoughts or feelings. If some anger is not good for me, selfishness is not good, it hurts me internally, or feeling hurt is not good for me. Now I am making those choices that I don't want to feel angry, I don't want to have any resentment. I just don't want, because I don't want to hurt myself internally. Though these seem to be very small things, but they impact us so much. I think these are the small things which she has taught us, and which has got us into this happy state. If I make a mistake, I just embrace it with my full love, and I stand forward with, like, with our shoulders up, my head up, and move ahead. So this is what I've learned, to live confidently, happily, and spread happiness to others also. And unconditional happiness and unconditional love, that's the most important thing. I don't want anything from anybody, I have only to give. So that's also an important message, which I have learned from Survey.